Hello, gardening enthusiasts! Welcome back to your channel. Today we're immersing ourselves in spring garden preparation. As the chill of February surrounds us, we're looking ahead to warmer days and vibrant gardens. It's a cold month, but crucial for garden planning. Decisions made now can significantly influence the success of our future gardens, so we're making the most of this time before spring truly arrives. First up, early blooming flowers. They're like nature's announcement of spring's approach. Daffodils, crocuses, and snowdrops are some of the stars. To make the most of these early bloomers, plant them in clusters or drifts. A layer of mulch around them not only retains moisture but also helps control weeds, giving your early blooms the spotlight they deserve. Next, starting seeds indoors. It's a game changer for getting a head start on your garden. When starting seeds indoors, timing is crucial. Refer to a local gardening calendar or seed packet instructions to determine the optimal planting times for each crop. As we wait for warmer temperatures, consider starting your cold-tolerant vegetable garden. Choose varieties known for their resilience to cooler temperatures. For example, opt for winter-density lettuce or Arctic King strawberries. These varieties are specifically bred to thrive in chilly conditions. As a result, when spring arrives, you'll likely have a thriving garden with an earlier and more abundant harvest of these cold-tolerant vegetables. Now, onto tools. Having the right gardening equipment is essential. When it comes to tools, invest in a sturdy trowel for digging and transplanting. Additionally, a quality pair of pruners is indispensable for precise and healthy pruning, and a soil tester to assess the pH and nutrient levels in your soil. Amend the soil as needed. If you have older tools, make sure to sharpen and clean them for optimal performance. Remember, the success of a garden lies in planning and layout. While awaiting the arrival of spring, strategically plan your garden layout by considering factors such as sunlight exposure, plant height, and companion planting. This thoughtful planning during the waiting period ensures an efficient and harmonious garden layout when spring finally arrives. As we wrap up this February gardening guide, we encourage you to embark on this green journey with enthusiasm. By nurturing early blooming flowers, starting seeds indoors, exploring cold-tolerant crops, and planning your garden layout, you're laying the groundwork for a vibrant and fruitful spring garden. Remember, each step you take now sets the stage for the beauty that will unfold in the coming months. Stay tuned for more gardening insights, and until next time, happy gardening!